Welcome to SciExploreHub, where we explore the wonders of science and nature. Through this exciting journey, we dive deep into the world of science, allowing you to become an expert in intriguing topics. SciExploreHub. Welcome to SciExploreHub, where we explore the wonders of science and nature. Through this exciting journey, we dive deep into the world of science, allowing you to become an expert in intriguing topics. Today we will show you how chatbots and artificial intelligence are going to revolutionize our everyday lives. First of all, what is a chatbot? Imagine a super intelligent virtual assistant who's always there to help you, whether it's with your homework, the latest video game tricks, or providing you with information on what's happening in the stock market. Don't think this is just science fiction. Let's take a closer look. AI chatbots are no longer boring machines. Soon, they'll be capable of recognizing emotions and even cracking jokes with you. Imagine your chatbot knowing exactly when you're feeling sad or happy and responding accordingly. But that's not all. Can you imagine a chatbot helping you with your studies, providing tips for video games, or assisting in planning your day? And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Join us in this video where you can learn more about the exciting world of artificial intelligence and chatbots. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on the latest tech wonders. Let's start with emotion recognition in chatbots. Chatbots are capable of recognizing emotions that arise during conversations using natural language processing, (NLP). This means that chatbots understand emotional cues in spoken or written text. But how does it actually work? When we chat or write to a chatbot, machine learning algorithms and NLP analyzers work in the background. These algorithms can recognize keywords, phrases, and the tone of speech in the text or voice, which indicate emotions. For example, if someone writes a sentence to a chatbot saying, "I am very happy," the NLP system detects the word happy and the associated positive emotion. After recognizing emotions, the chatbot responds appropriately. It could be a joyful message, a comforting text, or even a humorous reply, depending on the emotions it detected. Machine learning models assist the chatbot in learning users' different emotional reactions more accurately, allowing it to respond better in the future. This process enables chatbots not only to provide informative responses but also to emotionally connect with users, better understanding and supporting them. In the field of emotion recognition, one available and demonstrable application is MorphCast. MorphCast uses emotion recognition AI technology that can identify users' facial expressions and emotional states. This application can be used in various digital projects to make interactions more natural and user-friendly. MorphCast.com has come up with a lot of use cases for how it could be used to enhance the shopping experience, or how engaging a lesson meeting, or which product they liked the most in an online store. In short, it can be used for a lot of things. Multimodal capabilities mean that chatbots can handle various communication channels, be it text, images, videos, or sound. This enables much richer and interactive communication. Multimodal systems have developed thanks to advancements in deep learning and convolutional neural networks. But what are these systems? Deep learning made simple. Think of deep learning as a supercomputer that's like a brain. This superbrain can learn and recognize different patterns and connections, much like a real human. For example, when you chat with a chatbot, deep learning helps it understand what you're saying and how to respond. Convolutional neural networks, on the other hand, are like the glasses of deep learning. These glasses help the chatbot see and interpret images. For instance, if you send an image to the chatbot, convolutional neural networks assist it in recognizing what's in the picture. Now here comes the most exciting part: multimodal chatbots. These chatbots not only understand words, but also images, videos, and sounds. Thanks to deep learning and convolutional neural networks, chatbots can now communicate with us on a whole new level. The chatbots of the future are not only intelligent, but also perceive and understand our world. The OpenAI GPT-4 is an excellent example of an AI application with multimodal capabilities. This advanced language model can process both textual and visual inputs, allowing users to communicate with the system using text descriptions and images. GPT-4 is more than just a text-based chatbot. It can understand images and text, enabling a broader range of communication and interaction. Proactive communication. Chatbots as initiators. Think of chatbots as friends who don't wait for you to ask. They initiate conversations, provide advice, and help you without you having to request it. This is what we call proactive communication. So, chatbots not only respond to your questions, but can also ask questions, make suggestions, and assist in your daily life. The AI's understanding and predictive abilities. How does this work? Well, the chatbot's brain, the AI, doesn't just understand words anymore. It tries to predict what you might need. For example, if you frequently inquire about the weather in the mornings, the chatbot can proactively inform you before you even ask. Chatbots as everyday helpers. This means that chatbots are becoming more and more like a digital personal assistant. It's conceivable that a chatbot could offer to help you organize your daily tasks, remind you of important events, or make suggestions for your leisure activities. One example of an AI application that uses proactive communication is Contact Engine. Contact Engine is a platform that allows businesses to proactively communicate with their customers in an automated yet personalized manner. This technology can analyze customers' past interactions and behavioral patterns, then initiate conversations, make suggestions, or provide assistance to customers without them having to request it. Finally, personalized learning experiences mean that chatbots are capable of adapting to individual learning styles and preferences. With the help of AI and adaptive learning algorithms, chatbots can recommend various learning materials and strategies, taking into account the user's unique needs and goals. One example of an AI application specialized in personalized learning experiences is Edup. Edup is a mobile-friendly learning platform that uses AI to create personalized learning experiences for every student. The app offers intelligent course recommendations, smart course creation, detailed reporting and analytics, as well as AI-based translation to optimize the learning process. Don't forget, to become an expert, you need to dig deeper, always stay curious, and try things out for yourself. Thank you for joining me on this exciting exploration. Don't forget to subscribe to SciExploreHub for more fascinating scientific content, and share this video if you enjoyed it. We look forward to your comments with your thoughts and questions on a topic.